guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Singh, and if you're subscribe, let's do this. So guys, today is Saturday. I'm from work and I'm also going to work tomorrow, so I was able to quickly run to Checkers and Pick and Pay, do some grocery shopping. So I'm gonna show you the grocery. Here's my grocery I got. Actually, I forgot to pray for it because you know what, God, thank you for this, guys. You know what, I always destroy this plastic and I know I'm gonna use it again because I haven't bought hay. Guys, I am trying to go on a two different diets in 2 weeks. So from next week I wanna go on a liquid diet, so I got some stuff that I'm gonna need. So on the other week I'm trying to go on a keto diet because I was thinking of putting the wires. I was like, no man. So I got this special butter buy for 120. They're just tricking us. If you calculate really nice, you see the special for Pick and Pay. So but it's kind of cool special because the down I did I see 2 kg 800 gram. I thought it's 2 kg. So the keto diet also allows me to have green papers. I'm gonna have that, and it wants me to have this, my worst enemy. I don't like this, but it's called this, I don't even know the name. Broccoli. It's not nice, I don't want to lie, or maybe I don't cook it proper. Then I got the second plastic I have, and I also got eggs. This one, because the keto diet you need to also have eggs on a regular. So I think I'm gonna put them somewhere here or here on top. Yeah. So the keto diet, I don't know much about it. I saw it from Tandy Gamma on YouTube. I was like, okay, I'm gonna try this because it's kind of like a fun diet. I love meat. I love meat so bad. So a diet that allowed me to eat meat, that's a blessing. I don't wanna lie. That's a blessing in disguise. So in this plastic I have big tomatoes. Hi guys, that's special, you really do save. And I have this red onions for my keto diet, and I also have sweet potatoes. I think sweet keto diet allows you to eat sweet potatoes. And I also have this. I wanted to buy that thing where you put your veggies, the one that you don't put in your fridge. Go Mr. Price and because I went there late since I'm from work. So the next plastic, I think in here it's those things for my liquid diet. Honestly, I didn't get much complicated things because I'm planning to do it by the grace of God. I want to do it for 7 days, because the last one I did it for 4 days. So I've got 4 of these. Let me put them in the fridge, guys. It's hot. Then I got also 4 of these. This is my favorite. This one, it's my favorite. It's the nicest. If you eat this, there's no going back. I don't want to lie. I just noticed that I have feta cheese because I didn't even buy it. So yeah, and I don't even know if a keto diet allows you to have feta cheese. And I got a bigger one for the weekend because those one are for lunch boxes. I need to check around the place for a dustbin. And you also allowed to have a bacon. Actually, eat a mass. I forgot avos. I need to get avos because keto diets need avos, but I still have time. Like the whole of next week, I can still get what's left. Oh, I think I'm gonna have this, but I can't. It's for the diet. Yeah. Then I'm going to check us also. I went to Checkers Checkers is one of my favorite shops actually. I got these because you are allowed to have cabbage in a keto diet, and I wanted wings. I couldn't find it, but I decided to get this 6-piece of chicken. So I'm gonna cook 3 today, because two, one for lunchbox for tomorrow because I'm going to work, and one for tonight. And I also got this. I realized I cannot live without this. I was running out and I was like, I am not gonna let it finish, child. I need to get a bigger size next time. And I also got these two. I don't know why, because I got a lot of tomatoes, but you never know. And this is my current fave. It's the chili. It's so chili in a nice way. It's not too chili. It just makes your food taste nice. And I also got Parmalat cheese, because in the keto diet you also have to have a lot of fat, and less starch. Actually, 0 starch. So yeah. And I also got salt. So I'm gonna refill in this bottle. I didn't go to Woolies, so I was like, I'm gonna refill in this Woolly bottle. Child, there's no different. Let's wait, okay? So, oh, I also got these. I don't know for what, but I just want to add to my spicy collection. Anything that will make my food taste nice, I want that. And I think we have the last plastic here. The last plastic, it has, this place looks like a mess, but it's not actually. I forgot what the last plastic has, but let's check it out. Oh, refill your cooking oil. And I got, yesterday I made this nice pasta. I'm impressed. And I got mushrooms. I feel like I'm obsessed with mushrooms and green peppers. I can't live without those. And I got green beans for my keto diet. I also wanted to get lettuce and cucumber. Go Pick n Pay, and they were not fresh. I was like, no, you guys can do better, because I love veggies, so I know when a veggie is fresh or not. So I also got this for my liquid diet for next week. So I'm gonna have to get a storage for it. And I got a plain yogurt. Oh my gosh, I forgot to get pineapple, because I'm trying to clean my coochie. My discharge is smelling weirdly, so yeah. So yeah, guys, pretty much it. Let's just pack the food, and yeah. You got me falling in love, that's what you call it. You got me falling in love, that's what you call it. I'm not really falling, yeah. Don't think I'ma get through it again. I'm not really falling, yeah. Don't think I'ma get through it again. I love the way you did. You always jump in, saying thinking this is love for me, for us, babe. I love the way you got me falling in love, that's what you call it. You got me falling in love, that's what you call it. I'm it when it's packed. Here it's my things for the liquid diet. I need to make sure that this is finished by Monday. Then my eggs, I'm gonna refill them when they get finished. Here's my veggies. Yeah, that's pretty much it. This is so me for the coming 2 weeks. And actually we don't have much meat because I'm trying to, I only bought chicken, so it's just this one and my favorite side breast and mixed veggies. Oh my god, what and temptation. I think I'm gonna have this one because it's gonna give me a temptation. So this plastic, I'm gonna hide them. Yeah, I'm just gonna hide this. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it, the grocery unboxing and what's in my fridge. Guys, if you really enjoyed the video, please just like my videos, comment and subscribe. I'll see you guys on my next video.